Okay, everyone. So, since I always get this question, let's answer this one. So, Roneth, actually, namimiss ko na rin si Kisses and her family because they've always been nice to me and my family. But like you, ang tagal ko na rin silang hindi nakakausap. Wala akong balita talaga. The last time na nakausap namin sila was pandemic kasi nagpadala ng seafood sa bahay si Tita Carrie and sobrang sarap talaga, promise. Tapos after that, hindi ko na sila nakausap like after the Miss Universe Philippines that she joined. Wala na talaga kaming communication. We tried to guest her sa show namin ni Ara and Melissa sa Kumu, but they weren't doing guestings yet. And that was it. Nakita ko na lang yung pictures na nagbabalay sa New York, and nung nakita ko yon, pinakita ko nga sa asawa ko kasi close talaga kaming family sa family nila. So parang natuwa talaga kami for Kisses na she's doing what she really wants to do. She's happy. I think she's happy living her private life, na walang nakikialamin. Siguro like for me, baka nung lumabas yung pictures, and then she got some bashing, which is talagang nakakaawa kasi parang private life na nga siya doon. Tapos biglang nabash pa siya. So parang nakakaawa naman. And I think na nakakalungkot lang na may mga tao na nananahimik ka na nga doon and then may magbabash pa sa'yo. Anyway, so nag-message ako actually sa mami niya a couple of months ago, maybe 3, 4, 5 months ago. Nangangamusta ako kasi namimiss ko na nga talaga si Kisses. Sobrang sweet talaga siya. I always see yung pictures namin na nagpa-pop up, yung mga sa Facebook na alam mo yun, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, yung gano'n, the people you remember, yung parang memories sa Facebook, ganyan. So, nakikita ko nung baby pa si Asher, kita ko yung kami nila Sam, nila Ara, with Kisses. So, nakakamiss talaga. And sana talaga, Kisses, kung mapapanood mo to, Tita Carrie, we miss you guys. Your mom, your dad, you're a big part of the family. We hope now wherever you are there sa States, enjoy. And pag pumunta kami sa States, kita tayo. Kahit walang pictures, kahit walang video, okay lang, banding tayo dyan. So, sa mga supporters ni Kisses, sana makakuha na nga tayo lahat ng message from her, and ipag-pray na lang natin sila kasi I think super happy talaga sila living their private life. Kung nasa US man sila or kung nakabalik na sila dito. So, I hope I was able to answer your question. Parang hindi ko naman yata nasagot, pero ayun. Have a nice day. Pag may ibang balita ako, kung makausap ko sila, ikakamusta ko kayo sa kanila. Have a nice day.